Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time in this channel, feel welcomed, feel at home, where your thoughts are always welcomed so much. If you are a new subscribee, karibu sana. Sending you my love dust all the way to where you're watching me at the time you'll be watching this video. So leo I'll be taking you on our Bedsitter cozy awesome classy tour. Anyway, I enjoyed my friend's bedsitter, and I usually kept on telling her, mi napenda venye nyumba yako haina vitu zenye ni mingi, yani kona vitu zenye zinafaa kuwa. And I asked her why not come and take her bedsitter tour. So me, I enjoy so much seeing new designs, how people arrange their space, and also you can learn, you can pick 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hope you're going to enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do subscribe. I'm counting for you 1 up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I know you have already subscribed to this channel. Like, pia share this content kama imekubamba. Leave for me a sweet awesome comment, so anytime I read your comment, I'll be inspired in a way as I inspire you on how you're going to arrange your bed, a sitter, or any space that you want to do it. Without wasting a lot of time, let's start it. So awesome friends, we're going to start over here. These are mats ile ya kuingia. Hapa kuna mlango, entrance, and there is this bluish mat. This is the mat, and white sheer, as you can see. Kitu nimekuja kulearn, white shears ama white color theme in your house inafanyanga kunakuwa na space. So up there, white sheer. Next kuna i place nyameka viatu zake ya let's see. Love this shoe, it's a black one, sport shoe here. Next, yeah, she has a kid, as you can see, a boy actually. Yeah, anaitwa Ryan. These are the shoes of the kid. Alafu hapa kuna some to make up, some cutex, kioo, nini. There's this pink duvet with some love emojis, and up there handbag, and that's the overview of it at a far distance. Next, there is this cozy chair with the blue pillow. Yeah, that's the chair. There's this warm throw blanket. Akujifunika ile time anafanya kazi ama ile time ana relax akiwatch. Yeah. Next, kuna hii curtain up there. Imeshikana na hii white sheer. So another one. See the details from there up mpaka hapa chini. Let's go. Down here there is play toys za mtoto wake. Kuna hiyo ufa, home theater, ko hapo music. Then there is this a table yenye amewekelea some, this is the baby's tablet, and you can see there is like an excellent over there. Yeah, a doll piece. Graduation. Hey, anyone ashaienda Mombasa, I know lazima hii utapata kwa nyumba yake. Also there's a home theater. Hapa kuna vitabu. Next, kindly, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do that please. And you see amazing content. Let's reach hashtag 30k subscribers. Yeah, so up there, this basket, the son alipanga na birthday That's why you can see that hat, like a graduation. Yeah, I'm a graduate, I'm a degree. Yup. Next, yeah, this is a TCL, a 43-inch TCL. From a far distance, even though inaka. Next, she does writing. That's why you can see this a desk, na the chair. Yeah, this is the chair. This is where she does the writing. This is her laptop. You can see this is the kids. Kuna pencil, lazima. Then kuna hii ya kuwekanga, ya ku connect. I don't know mbona nikifanyanga house tours maneno huu nipoteanga. I don't know why. Like zinapoteanga kama hii, unaona hata sikumbuki jina yake. Now after I'm editing, I'm like, guys, si naitangwa hivi, nisameheni kwa hiyo. Yeah, I don't know. That's it from a far distance. And there is this mat. Yeah, kwa hapo mali mtu akiwatch ama akirelax haufeel baridi kwa sababu the tiles zinakuwa na baridi sana. Yeah, what do you think about it, besties? Of a relaxing place and there. So up here there is this Wi-Fi over here. Then kuna hii art. Yes, elephant, mother elephant and her baby. Down here there is this basket. Since hakuna wardrobe, so I've custom made mahali nimeweka nguo zake za mtoi, and it's really cute. And kuna hutu to the blankets bado akijifunikia, akitype ama akifanya kazi yake hapo hivyo, maki mtu akikuja kumtembelea at least utafeel baridi. Next we are heading up to the bed. See how these prints are really cute. And also this, it's a whitish one. And then the throw pillows. Yeah, the color. Nakadoli hapo pia. And see over here from a far distance, that's it. So ukiona hapo bed, kuna mahali anaweka nguo zake chafu. That's a roundly basket iko hapo. Then this cute awesome mat, the whitish, and hapa ndo anaweka towel yake. And next to is the toilet. The toilet, as you can see, it's sparkling clean, and there is not much more in the toilet. As you can see, these are bathing clothes, ama how do you call it, ya kuoga. And there is this tub, and there is a water, and also up there the towel. And up there kuna some onions, hivyo tukienda this cute basket over there ya kushika zikiwa na moto ukipika, cooking pots. Yeah, it's pretty. Ya kujifunga ukipika pia. Yeah, let's go. Some water bottle inakapoa. Ish. Nice. This is where she keeps her utensils. Up there, mweka rice and everything. Kwa hivyo hapo hivyo ndo inakaa. Hope you're really enjoying this. Yeah, tutakuja kuosha. Venye mtu nasikianga, it's just literally venye ameweka tu nyumba, as in like we haven't done much ati tutufanya ati juu tuna shoot. No, we decided to shoot as raw it is. Yeah, but you can tell she's a clean lady. What I like about this one ni yenye inawakanga blue. Inanifurahishanga sana. I used to see them with other YouTubers hawa majuju, and I found this kettle ya kuchemsha maji and I was like, wow, okay, I like it. Next, a stand yenye anaekelea gas yake hapo hivyo akipika some onions in this stove. You know, yep, mtu atupangi her humble beginnings. Yeah, from a far distance, let me show you, let me take you on a quick one. If you really enjoy, don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, that's it. Wow. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, and if you really enjoyed this kind of content, kindly do like and share it all. Leave a sweet comment for me so that I read, and also tell me what do you think about the space she has. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Let's meet up on our next video, the next vlog. Always remember this: as long as there is life, there is hope. That's what I always tell myself. No matter how hard you're facing, your life is facing, no matter hard the difficulties that you're passing through, always tell yourself, as long as there is life, there is hope. Meaning, there is hope. Mambo haitakuwa hivyo na ita change, okay? Bye, Turus. Love you. Mwah.